Hi, welcome to CloudLab. My name is Marco Martinez, and this is part 2.5. This is a very small incremental step on the ServiceNow plugins that we're creating for Twilio Flex. So let's just recap. First part, we talk about the basically just gathering user information and displaying useful information on the CRM site. Second part, we talk about ticket creation on from the task tab. And again, everything is pulled from ServiceNow dynamically. Oh, God. Okay, so now what's the update 2.5? So here, let me open my remote desktop. So I have here running a remote desktop computer. I have Google Chrome open with my YouTube channel open. So let me show you something here on the hardware side. If we click on connect, I'm going to connect to that computer. Now I'm going to click on scripts. And by the way, we're showing useful information, scripts. And here we have, let's say I want to install Firefox on my computer. This is, by the way, the instance ID, run. This usually takes like in progress. So by the way, as you can see, it's very rough right now, so I'm not showing much information, but again, this usually takes around 15 seconds to install Firefox on that computer. Okay, installed. So if we go back to your remote desktop computer, now we have Firefox installed on that machine. Let's try something else, restart PC, let's get disk space. Yes, so we have so we're running, in other words, we're running PowerShell scripts on the target or the client computer, running processes, loading. So we have that, yes, we're running Chrome, my user, yep, so everything seems it's working. So, and restart PC. So as you can see, again, very small update. Again, the only thing that we are doing just pushing a shell script, and again, we are using an Amazon SMS agent for achieving this. I hope you like it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.